by saying if EF, we're saying it's a condition, then which angles would be equal? Let's check so that we know where we are going. I'm going to use a red just to show that. Oh, lovely. Zara says y would be equal to x. Beautiful. Y would be equal to x. Awesome. Is there any other angle that anyone has seen? Okay, hold on, Yusuf. We are saying, let's follow the instruction. If EF is parallel to TS, what are the angles that will be equal? And Zara gave us a very good one. Y would be equal to X. Lovely. Y will be equal to X. Tasmia, angle NCD, all right, equals to 44. Beautiful. Angle NCD equals to, okay, so X equals to 68 because angles in a triangle. Tasmia, please make that message available to everyone. You've given me a very, very good point. But this is what we want to prove. We said if this line is parallel, then Y should be equal to X. Now let's start. So I'm going to copy what Tasmia just said. Very beautiful point. N in triangle NCD. All right. Let's start by writing C1 first. C1 equals to 44. Vertically what? Opposite angle 44. I hope that's okay with everyone. Good. Now in triangle NCD, I like the way Tasmia put the whole thing. All right. Can you say y equals to 68 angles on a straight line? Yes, we are going to say that, Zara. Remember, I want to prove y equals to x. So let's get x first. And your reason is the reason for y. So let's get x first. X plus 44 plus 68 would be equal to 180 angles in a triangle. Therefore, x should be equal to 68. All right, good. Now I'm going to copy what Zara has said. Why? But Zara, I don't want us to use angles on a straight line. Adjacent supplementary angles. Okay, so y equals to 68 degrees. Y, adjacent supplementary angles. Good. Fazia, if y is therefore 68 and x is 68, they are equal, which means it's now what? Corresponding. So since x equals to y equals to 68, therefore TS will be parallel to EF, and we can say corresponding what? Angles. So guys, do you see where we start from? Start from saying if that is that, then. So you need to find a way to go and prove y then is equal to x. Everybody okay? Any question? If you are okay, just quickly type in okay. If you are all right, please, I need the responses so that if there's anyone who needs help, we can then gladly assist. All right. Grandpa, please, when you come in next to class, please change that name. Guys, please, when you log in, please log in with your name. Very important. All right. Uzair is good. Ashfaq is also good. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now let's go check the next question. Let's check the next question. Here is my next question. Calculate angle A. Anybody? Calculate angle A. It's okay, Grandpa. Please, I'm glad that you apologizing. Okay, calculate angle A. Yusuf, A is 40. How did you get A, Yusuf? How did you get A? Oh, by the way, I missed this point. This line we're given that is parallel to that. How did you get A? How did you get A? This is angle E. How did you get A? Exterior angle equals to opposite interior. There's something missing. There's something missing. Exterior angle equals to opposite interior. There's something missing. Exterior angle equals to sum of the opposite interior angles. Let me see Tasmia. Okay, let me start from Zayan. A is 40. Exterior angles equals to sum of interior angles. Okay. Exterior angle equals to sum of interior angles. Tasmia. Okay, we are all using the same thing. It's the extended exterior angle. Which triangle are we referring to? Which triangle are we referring to? Because we need to make this clear enough. Which triangle are we referring to? Triangle AEF. Okay, I'm having ABC. I'm having too many things. I have ABC. All right, from Yusuf, Nabila, AEF, Tasmia, AEF. All right, A, let's check it. Which triangle are we referring to? A, E, and F. Exterior angle is equal to, okay, let me go back to your reasons. I want to pick your reasons quickly and then start analyzing them one by one. First, having stated the triangle that we need. All right, exterior angle is equals to sum of the interior angles. Zayan, talk to me. Let's talk. Tasmia also has the same reason. Yusuf, almost the same, but the word sum is missing. Where did I forget the 80? Oh yes, I forgot the 80 here. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Okay. So exterior, so don't forget guys, thank you Zayan, exterior angle is equal to the sum, not opposite. Yusuf, I hope that makes sense. All right. So exterior angle, this angle, is equal to the sum of the opposite interior. So we have 5A minus 40 equals to 2A plus 80. Exterior angle. I'm glad you guys remember that. Is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. So we have mathematics here. 5A, if I bring the 2A over that side, it becomes a negative, which gives me 3. And if I take the 40 over that side, it gives me 120. So A is equal to 40 degrees. Well done, guys. All right, if A is 40, that means this angle now becomes what? 80. All right. Can we then show that AE is equal to AF? What's going to be the reason? AE is equal to AF. Why would AE be equal to AF? Yes, talk to me, guys. Why would AE be equal to AF? Isosceles. All right, Zahra says isosceles. Isosceles triangle. I don't want her to use the word isosceles though. I get you. Yes, Tasmia. Base angles are equal. So Zara, don't let's use the word isosceles. Yes, you are correct, but in terms of geometry, we don't want to use that word. We want to use the reason base angles are what? Equal. Or rather, side opposite equal angles. Okay. So AE is equal to what? AF. Angles opposite equal, or rather sides equal opposite angles. Side equal opposite angles. So if the opposite angles are equal, it means the opposite sides are also equal. That's the appropriate reason there. All right, I get what you're saying, isosceles. Tasmia, I get what you're saying. Base angles are equal, but if your base angles are equal, you've not mentioned the side. All right, so let's learn this reason. Sides opposite equal angles. Sides opposite equal angles. So if the opposite angles are equal, then the opposite sides are also equal. But good reason. Thank you, guys. Good reason. What is angle B, therefore? What is angle B? I'm sure we can now get this. If our A is 40, all right, I think we can just quickly get that together. 5 times 40 would be 200, right? No, 5 times 40, yeah, 200. And 200 minus 40. Okay, we are saying B is, remember they said you must give reasons, with reasons. But let's check. Oh, you can even use angles in a triangle, right? Good. Thank you, Tasmia. B equals to 20 angles in a triangle. All right, Nabila is giving me another one. B is 20 adjacent supplementary what? Angles. Correct, but you must get this first. All right, and if you do what I was doing, this will be 160. Good reason. Thank you, guys. What about C? Quickly give me C. Beautiful. 80. Oh, you guys are the best. 80 corresponding. Remember, guys, don't forget EF. Tell me the parallel lines parallel to CB. Beautiful. Angle D. Oh, D is 100. Thank you. D is 100. Adjacent supplementary what? Angles. Lovely. What about E? So if D is 100, since this line and this line are parallel, E would be what? 80. Thank you. Thank you. Co-interior. Remember, tell me that FE is parallel to BC. Well done, guys. Beautiful. I love what you're doing. Zara, don't forget, let the message go to everyone. I think we have the last question. Let's see. We have just a few minutes left. All right. We're given that those lines are parallel. What are we looking for? Calculate the value of x. Anybody? Calculate the value of x. We're here now. Calculate the value of x. D1 is 2x plus 40. Thank you. All right. Because this and this are parallel, it means we can now have that angle equal to that angle. That is your F there, corresponding. Good. So D1 equals to 2x plus 40, corresponding what? Angles. But again, guys, very important. DE is parallel to CB. Now, 2x plus 40, good, Yusuf, plus x plus 10 plus 70 equals to 180. Angles in a triangle. Now we can do the maths. All right. Okay. 2x plus that would give me 3x. Zara has already given me a final answer. 40 plus 10, 50. 50 plus that will give me 120 equals to 180. Lovely. So x equals to 20. If you do the math, 60 divided by 3. Beautiful stuff. What about size of D1? I think that's very straightforward now. Thank you, Nabila. X is 20. Good. Already we have D1 as 2x plus 40. And we know that this is 220 plus 40. 40 plus 40, D1 is 80. Jazakallah. Thank you, guys. That was just a very, very beautiful lesson. All right, guys. Let's have our next page. All right, I need to take it a bit more make it a bit more hectic for us, the last session on this would be page 180, question A to E. Then we would know that our straight lines are sorted. All right, homework, page 180, A to E. All right, Juma Mubarak, guys. Have a lovely day. Please make dua for everyone at school. Make dua for all the teachers. Make dua for all the learners. Remember, some learners are sick. Please make dua for them. All right. Let's remember them in our prayers. Okay. Remember your family in prayer, your loved ones. Remember every teacher, every learner. All right. Good. Have a lovely day. Have a lovely weekend. Thank you, guys. I really enjoyed this lesson. All right. We would see ourselves again on Monday. Amira, thank you. You two have an awesome weekend. All right. Zubair, have a lovely weekend. All right. Ashfaq, you too enjoy a very, very sweet weekend. Don't be late. Please do your homework. All right. Uzair, good night to you too. All right. I'm signing out. Goodbye. Thank you, Zainab. Thank you, Zainab. Have a lovely weekend too. Have a lovely, lovely weekend too. Signing out, guys. Bye.